when we put poo onto our garden...
Gross! Why would you want to put poo on a garden? It stinks!
Stink is open to interpretation, and I hope you're going to change your perspective.
Costa.
Come on in to the garden laboratory here. What we've got is 3 growing beds. We've got one with chicken poo, one with cow poo, and then this one here where I am, that's no poo.
What are we planting here?
Okay, so we've got 2 different plants to put in. We've got broccoli and kale. First step, give the tray a gentle squeeze, and then put your fingers between the seedlings, turn it upside down, and allow the seedlings to fall into your hand. Make the hole a little bit deeper than the seedling's root ball. Hold the seedling in the hole and then backfill around the seedling. And then we wait.
Oh, Costa!
Good things take time.
Waiting, 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 this is the waiting song. Waiting, 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 it's all part of the fun.
The no-poo garden. It's small.
Sad.
Looking at the results of our experiment, I think we can safely say poo really is glorious.
Yay for poo!
Why don't people like poo jokes?
I don't know. Why?
Because they stink.
Bye, Costa.